Are you looking for a home neighborhood combo that is absolutely stunning? Look no further than my new listing in Aberdeen Falls in Jenks. Hi, I'm Cindy Morrison with Chenoweth & Cohen. Come on, let's go take a tour. Walk in the door and it almost takes your breath away. At more than 6,000 square feet, there is something for everyone. Just off the grand foyer is an office with lots of built-ins and a dramatic dining room. I love the combo great room and kitchen. It's big, but also very comfortable. Along with the fireplace, there's a large window to see the backyard. In fact, we'll talk more about the backyard in a minute. Off the kitchen is an extra room to pay bills or set up a workout room. Also on the first floor, a movie room of your dreams. The chairs and the electronics go with the home. There are 2 bedrooms downstairs. The main bedroom has lots of room as well as a fireplace and a door to the veranda. The bathroom is also spacious. And one of my favorite things, 2 very big closets. The other bedrooms are upstairs and each has its own bathroom. There's also a big game room, big enough for a pool table. Now to the backyard. It is the perfect outdoor living space. There are areas for dogs to run, but what really catches your eye is the saltwater pool and outdoor cabana. The outdoor kitchen has every amenity you can imagine. No need to even go inside. You have everything right here, including a fireplace and a half bath. Isn't this home amazing? Indoor and outdoor living at its finest. Let me know if you'd like to schedule a showing. I'm Cindy Morrison from Chenoweth & Cohen, 918-760-5751.